everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of July 8th through the 14th. And now let's take a quick look back at the current week. So this is 4th of July week. I used a kit from Nicole Alexia Designs. I actually did film this plan with me if you guys are interested in seeing how I kind of put together this spread. So I'm actually going to be going on a trip in a few days. I am filming this early. It is Tuesday. I normally like to film my plan with me's on Thursday and do the voiceovers either on Saturday or early Sunday morning. So I'll have to give you guys an update on the trip, possibly in next week's plan with me. So I have a lot going on this week. I am going to be doing my very first brisket and ribs on Thursday, and then we're leaving for Gettysburg the next day. It's only about an hour and a half trip, so it's not that far away. We're going to do a couple of the ghost tours. We're going to do like a ghost and beer tour on Friday, and then we're going to be coming back like in the evening on Saturday. Sunday I have a pedicure, but other than that I'm going to spend the majority of the day filming and editing some of the videos that I've pre-filmed this week. So moving on to this week, the 8th through the 14th. So I decided to use a mini kit here from Hello Petite paper. And this is a 4-piece mini kit on glossy paper. So it's the Smooth Seas mini kit. So it does have 8 full boxes. I I love sailor themed kits. I picked this up recently, but I really wanted to use it. I've already pulled in the icons in my pre-planning sheet that I have here. I like to pull out all my icons when I pre-plan along with anything from my leftover sticker book. So this kit does have 8 half boxes and then a couple of labels, but I may have to pull in some quarter boxes from my leftover sticker book, but that's okay. And then it does come with the checklist. I wasn't sure if I was going to use the checklist that came with the kit or these gold foil checklists here from the Giving Girl. I'm also going to be pulling in some foiled full box overlays from Scribble Prints Co. These are just like the confetti dots. And then the covers, the date covers that I'm going to be using are from Sophie Rose Paper Shop, and these are her pink. So yeah, the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, so I actually ended up pulling in a lot of leftover stickers from my sticker book. If you guys haven't seen my, what's in my sticker pouch / leftover sticker book series, I'll link that in the iCard section just so you can see what I'm talking about every time I say my leftover sticker book. I do use it quite frequently, especially with glossy stickers, because I don't have a lot of individual sticker sheets or even functional stickers in glossy. Most of my collection consists of matte sticker paper. So some of the leftover stickers that I have are from SPC. I've broken down some of the what do you call them? The rack, the random act of kindness sheets that she sends. I've received a whole bunch of the little sampler sheets, and that had some labels and flag labels and quarter boxes. So really excited to get an opportunity to use those because, like I said, I don't have that many kits or even stickers that are glossy. One thing I did pull in are these glitter leftovers. These are from Nicole Alexia Design Kits. And I can't remember what other, I think it was a glam planner kit, one of the little mini kits or personal kits that she has. So I ended up combining those two and then laying over one of the Girl Boss Anna tapes. I want to say this was a 10 or 15 millimeter confetti dot tape, and I just kind of put it over those two. I thought it was kind of cool looking. Again, another fun way to utilize those leftover stickers. And then I guess the only other big change that I did this week is that I decided to use all 8 boxes instead of 7 boxes because I haven't really been using the notes section. I only did a meal tracker. I'm not sure if I'm still going to use it as a meal tracker, a little checklist either as a master to-do or as a cleaning list. Really, I've been using it as a cleaning list because I keep my master to-do list in my Hobonichi weeks, and then a little habit tracker area, which again, I'm not really using it. I feel like it's a little redundant because I do have a habit tracker in my Hobonichi weeks, and I feel like I'm more successful at tracking things in my Hobonichi weeks because I keep it with me. It goes from my office into my purse, or from my purse upstairs to my bedroom so I can sit down at night and kind of check off everything I've done, make sure I've done all of my habits. Keeps me a little bit more accountable. My Erin Condren does stay on my desk, so I don't mark off things as often as I would like to because it doesn't travel around with me. The other change that I did is this week I'm attempting to do 5 videos instead of 4. So I post Monday through Wednesday, and then my plan with me's are on Sundays, which I kind of treat as a bonus video. Really, I try to give you guys like 3 videos a week. But I wanted to bring back my weekly makeup basket because I'm not in school and I've been wearing makeup a lot more often. And I used to have a series called my weekly makeup basket because I rotate through my makeup pretty much every time I use makeup. I'll rotate through like an eyeshadow palette or like blushes. I'll use multiple blushes throughout the week. So I want to showcase and kind of give mini reviews on the makeup that I'm using. So I was thinking about doing that series, bringing it back up on Saturdays and doing it every, like either a weekly or a bi-weekly basis, depending on, you know, how much makeup I use throughout that week. Alrighty, so let's get into our day by day. I use these leftover work stickers from SPC because the little icons are pretty much going to fit right over that little work label. So I'm using these to mark off my yoga, and that little icon actually did come with the kit, which was really nice. I only had to pull one from my personal collection. So I marked yoga because I do have my yoga basics class on Mondays. I marked coffee Monday, and then I marked that I wanted to go grocery shopping on Monday because I don't think I'm going to have time to do it on Sunday, and I want to do returns as well. On Tuesday, all I really have marked is my HelloFresh delivery, and then I do want to spend the day swatching. I don't really do much else if I do swatches because it drains my entire camera battery, so I don't really have time to film anything on Tuesdays. Wednesday, I marked 2 things. I marked my yoga class. I'm going to try to go to an earlier class, which is called Hatha Yoga. That's going to be at 9 in the morning. And then I need to clean my cat litter. So I have this little Scoop the Poop sticker from Polished Patterns. On Thursday, I not only want to film my plan with me on Thursday and any other videos that I kind of feel like I want to either film ahead or pre-film, but I also want to start working on things for the shop that I want to open up. I do want to open up my own sticker shop, so I need to start designing the logo, start ordering things like mailers and so on and so forth. So Friday, I have another yoga class. It's going to be my gentle yoga class at noon. And then I have a VA appointment with my primary care doctor on Friday. We may have a game night, but I'm not quite sure if I'll have the energy for a game night. Towards the end of the week, I start feeling a little bit low on energy. Saturday, I'm going to be spending most of the day doing laundry, cleaning the house, and then editing videos. So I have a little like editing half box here. I'm going to make like a little mini checklist inside of that half box. And then on Sunday, the only thing I really have planned for Sunday is my meetup. So I'm going to be doing my planner meetup, and I may change the location of that, but right now it's currently set to the location that I had my first planner meetup. So I went ahead and filled out my planner with my favorite pen, the Papermate Ink Joy gel pen in 0.7. So yeah, I love the way this week turned out. I still have a lot of space if I have any plans that kind of come up last minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and a plan with me on Sundays. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.